Unlocking Your Intellectual Potential, a comprehensive guide. Ever wanted to boost your brain power? Welcome to your guide on becoming smart, a journey to enhancing your intellectual capabilities. First step, embrace curiosity. Ask questions, seek answers, and let your wonder lead you to new knowledge and skills. Reading is your best ally. Dive into books, articles, and reports. They're bridges to worlds of wisdom waiting to be discovered. Don't overlook the power of listening. Podcasts, lectures, and conversations can offer insights that challenge and expand your thinking. Exercise isn't just for the body. Engage in mental workouts too. Puzzles, games, and new hobbies sharpen the mind effectively. Surround yourself with inspiration. Connect with people smarter than you. Their perspectives and knowledge can propel you forward. Finally, remember, becoming smart is a journey, not a destination. Stay persistent, stay curious, and watch your intellect soar.